Good morning, children. Hope you all are in the best of health and spirit. So let's begin our class. Children, what we have learned in the last class? Yes, we have started your grammar guide, the 10th block, that is simple present questions and negatives. So hope you all have understood about how to change the simple present sentence into its negative form. Did you remember that? Yes, there are some rules we learned. If you are getting any simple present tense, what you will think first? Yes, first you will think about what the verb in the sentence. Then the next one is the object or subject. Yes, of course, it is subject. You have to find out what the subject in the sentence. Then we will use do not and does not in the sentence. How to use this do not and does not? Yeah, if the subject is singular, then you will use does not. Singular, does not. Singular, does not. I have repeated so many times to you. Does not, singular. Then, if the subject is plural, then we will use do not. Okay, children. Then also one more case I told you. In which case, there are two naughty words. Which are they? Yes, they are I and you. These words are always naughty. They don't follow any rules. They don't like these rules. They will always stand with do not. I do not like jackfruit. Or I do not like coffee. Or you do not like homework. Right? So this way we will use do not with I and you cases. But the other case like he, she, it, these are singular. So for singular pronouns, we will use does not, and plural pronouns like they and we will use do not. Okay? Just keep in your mind all these things. Then only we can do all the works in this grammar book. Okay? Then let's see here also. We have learned this Anu sings well. This is a simple sentence. So first you have to change this simple sentence into its negative form. First change the verb into its root form, base form, or else we will say that it is V1. As in short, we will say that V1 or root form or base form. So for changing the negative sentence, we will change this verb into its root form. Like sings, sing, dances, dance, eats, eat, plays, play. Right? This is how we can find out this root form, this V1. So in this negative sentence, we will always use this V1. We will always use do not and does not along with this V1, along with this root form of the verb. So we will get anu. What is single? So for single, we will use does not. So anu does not. Then the sing. What change happened here? Yes, sings will change into sing. Then well. So anu does not sing well, or in short we can say this does not into doesn't. Anu doesn't sing well. Then how can you change this negative sentence into a question form? Yes, that also very simple. What you have to delete from this negative sentence? It is the word not. Then take this does in the beginning of the sentence. So the sentence will become does Anu sing well. Then let's see the other sentences. They play outside. So they, plural, we will use do not. So they do not play outside. This play is already in its V1 form. So we don't want to change. Then into its question form, we will cut this not. So the sentence will becomes do they play outside? Very easy. Then the last one, she likes mango. It is she is singular. So does not. She doesn't like mango. Then for the question we can make does she like mango? The not will be out. The word not you have to make it out. Okay, so children, this is how we have learned about this negative form and also its question form. So here in this table also you can see that all the simple form sentences, it is question form and also its negative forms are given. But what you have to do, you don't want to follow directly to all these tables. First what you will do, you will just go through the simple sentence, then you directly go through this negative sentence. Just make a jump to this third column. Okay, then only it will be very easier you to make the question. Then from the negative sentence itself, we can make the question. Okay, likewise the dog, it likes ice cream. So the dog is singular, for singular does not. So we can see this third column. It does not like ice cream. Here also one change happened. What change? It is this likes. Likes will change into like. For changing negative form, we will always take V1, root form, base form. Okay, always remember it. Then from this negative sentence, we can make the questions like not will be out. So this does will come to the friend, to the beginning of the sentence. So it becomes does the dog like ice cream or does it like ice cream? This is how we can make. Okay children. So in the last class we have discussed 1 to 5 questions only. So then let's take this next page, page number 39 of your grammar book. Question number 6. Answer the questions in the negative. Here there are so many questions you can see that begins with do and does. So you have to make the answer also in its negative form. So how to make? See the first one. Do you live near the sea? Yes. So as you are giving this negative answer, how you will say? Yes, you will say like no because it is a negative. So no, I do not. A negative sentence, we will always use the word not. So no, I don't live near the sea. Then see children, B. Does your friend play football? No, my friend do not or does not. My friend, only one friend is there. So for singular, we will use always does. You can see in that question itself, it begins like does. So no, my friend does not play football. Then see, do you and your friends like shopping? Yes, the answer will becomes no, my friend and I don't. You and I, naughty words, always use don't. So I don't like shopping. Then D, does your pet eat a lot? No, my pet doesn't eat a lot. Then E, do you see your aunts and uncles often? No, I don't see my aunts and uncles often. Likewise, you can make this negative answer. Okay, then question number 7, change the statements into questions using do or does. So you have to change these statements into its question form. So children, how to change this question form? So I told, for making this question form, you have to find out the negative form first. Then it will be very easy for you to make the question. So they play football in their free time. So how to make the negative? Yes, it will becomes they do not play football in their free time. Then from that negative sentence we can make the question easily. So how it will becomes? It will becomes do they play football in their free time? It is very easy, right? Then B, you watch TV every evening. You watch TV every evening. So change it into its negative form. It's like you do not watch TV every evening. So this not will be out and take this do as in friend. So the sentence will becomes do you watch TV every evening? Got it? Then see, he likes to read storybooks. Yes. How to make the negative sentence? He doesn't, because we will use this only for he, she and it, which is only one in number. So he doesn't likes or like. Yes, negative always use V1. So he doesn't like to read storybooks. So for making the question, yes, we need to just cut this knot. So this it will becomes does he like, right? Just take that negative sentence same as to the question. So it's like does he like, not likes. Does he like to read storybooks? Then D, we always do our homework. Yes, we do not, plural. So we do not always do our homework. This is the negative form. So you can change like, cut it not. Then the sentence will become, do we always do our homework? Then last one, she goes to the mall with her mother. So let's make the sentence into its negative form. What is the first step? Look at the verb. Change its V1 form. What is the verb here? Goes. The first form, the root form, the base form. Yes, it is go. So that you have to change it first. Then the negative sentence becomes, she does not go to the mall with her mother. So from this negative sentence, we can make the question easily. How it will becomes? Yes, it is like, does she go to the mall with her mother? So children, why ma'am is taking you to make this negative sentence first? Yes, then only you can make the question very easily from that negative sentence. Okay, if you are going directly to the questions, it will be some difficulties. You will be confused. That is why ma'am is telling you again and again, whatever the simple sentence you will get, first you will change that simple sentence into its negative form. For changing that negative form, there are some rules. First one, change the verb into its negative form. Then find out the subject. If the subject is singular, add does not. If the subject is plural, add do not, except in the case of I and you. Okay. Then children, here in this page, question number 8. Just skip it. Okay, we are not doing. Let's skip the question number 8. Then take this quiz part from this page number 40. Complete the sentences using do, does, don't or does it. So here there are some conversation given. Just go through the conversation and you have to use which one is proper to this given blanks. Molly, dash you like parties. So it is a question. So for asking question, we will write do or does for the word you. Yes, in the case of I and you, we will always use do not. So there also you have to cut not, right? So here you can write like, do you like parties? Then Sam, no, I do not, right? About I. For I and you, we will use always don't. Remember it. So I don't like them because they are noisy. Then Sam, dash Tom go to the beach. So do or does? Tom, single one. So there we will use does. Then Molly, no, he doesn't like the sand. Then 2, look at the clues and the pictures and complete the conversations. Here 2 pictures are given. Look at the picture and complete the conversation. Molly dash like watching dash. So look at the picture. What they are doing is they all are watching TV. So Molly is asking one questions to others, that is dash like watching. So what she is asking? Yes, she is asking like, do you like watching TV? So he is saying like no. Then what you will use? Yes, it is I do not. I don't like watching TV. Then B, Sam dash like playing dash. Look at the picture. What he is doing? Yes, he is playing games on his phone. So here Sam is asking to Molly that dash like playing. Yes, do you like playing games on your phone. So the answer will becomes no, I don't like playing games on my phone. Like that you can. Okay. So children, from this quiz part, you can do this question number 1 and 2. Okay. Then I want to tell you one more thing. It is about your workbook from the page number 28, that S4 from the block 21. Take it that page also. It is also almost same as to this topic. Okay, that is why Mom is telling you to do this page also. It is very simple. Fill in the blanks with do not or does not. Yes, do not, plural, does not, singular. Okay. Then the first one, A. Kapil dash tell the truth. Kapil, only one. So singular, does not. You dash look happy. Yes, I and you will always use do not. Then she dash have a lovely voice. Yes, she singular, so does not. She does not have a lovely voice. And D, my friend and I. Yes, I do not know the name of that thing. Then see children, question number 2. Change the positive sentences into negative sentence. Means the positive sentence means it is always telling the truth. It is the simple sentence. That is meant by this positive sentence. So here one sentence is given like, I like to watch movies. Yes, how to change this simple sentence into its negative form? Yes, I do not like to watch movies. Then Sharad plays video games all day. Yes, for making the negative form, you have to find out the verb and change that verb into its V1 form. So this is Sharad is singular. So we will use does not. So Sharad does not plays or play. Yes, very good. We will use play only because that is giving like place. So we have to change that V1 form, that root form, that base form. Okay. So Sharad does not play video games all day. Children, this is how you can. Then 3, write 3 sentences about things that you don't like. So you can make the sentence like, I don't like ice cream, I don't like homework, I don't like madam. Right? Any sentence you can make by using this I don't or I do not. Okay. Then 4th one, change the sentences into negative sentence. Here 2 sentences are given, change into its negative form. He drinks coffee in the morning. Yes, he, singular. So he does not drinks. Yes, that verb will be changed into V1 form. So he does not drink coffee in the morning. Then he always wakes up early. Yes, he does not wakes. It will change into wake only. So he does not always wake up early. Okay children, this is how you can do this. Page number 28, S4, and also from the same block 21, you can do this question number 3. Practice question number 3. See the question. Make the sentences mean the opposite thing by adding do not or does not. So here, she likes to eat healthy food. Do not or does not? Yes, does not. I run every morning. Yes, I do not. Pratik, Abhay and Shahid play cricket. Yes, that is talking about plural. So for plural, we will use did not. So Pratik, Abhay and Shahid did not play cricket. And burgers taste good. Yes, burgers. It is plural. So plural nouns we will use always do not. So burgers do not taste good. Okay children. So this is how you can complete this practice question number 3. So children, today we have discussed all the questions that is related to this topic, simple present questions and this negative. So Ma'am is telling you again, whenever you are getting the simple present sentences, simple present tenses, you will change that whole sentence into its negative form. Okay, there are the rules. Find the verb, find the subject, and if the subject is singular, we will use does not. If the subject is plural, we will use do not. Except the case of you and I. So children, these are the important 5 rules that you want to take care of when you are changing this simple tense into its negative form. Then from that negative sentence, we can easily make the questions. Okay, so I hope all things are clear to you. Then if there is any doubt, you can WhatsApp to me. I'll be there with you. So I'll meet in the next time. See you.